28.
All right, let's start off our autonomous period. All 6 robots on the field are going to get that 2 points from moving during autonomous. 3487 already scoring on L1 with their teammates scoring on L4. Over on the Red Alliance, we have 3 Coral also scored on the Reef at the beginning of teleoperated period, so those Coral are going to be worth more than they would be in teleop. 1024 coming over to the red side, possibly playing some defense, while 3494, the quadrangles, go ahead and go score in their processor. This serves 2 purposes, as scoring in the processor does get them points, and it also clears the reef so that the coral are easier to score, because if a coral is supported by an algae when it is still on the reef, it actually does not count as a scored item. Team 71 trying to get around the kilobytes and attempting to score on their reef, while their teammates, the quadrangles, and their teammates, 10-172, go over and grab some more coral from their coral station. If we look back here over at the blue side, we have another team over here, 3487, scoring an algae in their processor, which gives the red human player a chance to shoot into the net, which they do in fact make. 3487 continuing to make these algae cycles so that their teammates can go and score coral. For example, Galactech is scoring a coral on L4 right now. So at 1 minute and 10 seconds left in the match, we have blue at 86 points and red at 60 points. We do have the cooperation bonus engaged, which means there were enough algae scored into the processor to lower that threshold for coral on each level to 3. So only 3 levels need to have 5 coral on them for each team to get this ranking point now. L4 is almost full on the blue side. On the red side, we have teams working on all levels, potentially to get that ranking point for themselves. Blue at 100 and red at 71. Only 38 seconds left to go in this match. Blue, L4 of their reef is officially filled, and we have 1024 continuing to play on the other side, presumably playing defense to help slow down red scoring. We have quadrangle scoring on L3, so we're at 5 on that level. That's going to get us 1 out of 3 levels, scored 5 for each of those teams for that rank point. So when we have that sonar ping go off, we're going to have those teams go towards the middle of the field and attempt to climb on these hanging cages underneath the barge zone. So we have quadrangles are off the ground along with Galactech. And that's the end of qualification match 28. Match with both alliances breaking 100. So we have Galactech staying at rank 2, Kilobytes moving up to rank 3 just underneath them with 3487 moving up to rank 10. That's 5 ranking points for that Blue Alliance. Congratulations, Blue Alliance.